Let me show you what to do if when you are installing any app, you are getting this error that the Smart App Control has blocked an app. So yeah, for example, if you are downloading something and it simply doesn't allow you to open it up, then what you do is you simply go to your Windows and search for the Smart App Control. Smart App Control. So this one, and open that up. Okay, or also if you go in your in your settings, in this app and browser control, you can also access it here. So click here, Smart App Control Settings, and you want to simply completely disable it here. So turn it off. Yep, and it should be good now. So let's try again to install that app that previously was throwing up that error. So I see works now and it doesn't throw up that error anymore. Okay, good luck.